guys, what's up? My name is Ananya if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back.
There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters.
Today's video is a skincare challenge video. I know it's been a while since I posted anything skincare on my channel. I've been so lost in vlogs and stuff, and I finally thought it was time that I get back, on track and post a little bit of skincare as well. So in this video, we're gonna review this little face wash from Mcaffeine. It's the Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Foaming Face Wash.
So pimples and acne is like the biggest skincare concern, and that combined with redness is like a nightmare to manage. And this is how my skin looked at the beginning of the challenge.
So recently I came across the one bottle challenge, hashtag one bottle challenge, with Mcaffeine's Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Foaming Face Wash. And this face wash claims to control 99.9% of the acne causing germs. Also, I just wanted to mention that this whole claim is accredited by NABL, and if you guys don't know what NABL, I don't know either, but NABL is National Accreditation Board of Laboratories, and this claim was accredited by them. I just wanted to let you guys know, and this product is legit. Everybody who had taken up this challenge seems so confident about this product, and I wanted to try it to see for myself if it really works. And also, I've always been wanting to try the one bottle challenge, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity for me to try this challenge and also the product at the same time. So I thought I would record this whole thing for you guys.
So this is what the face wash looks like up close, guys. It comes in this beautiful black packaging, black bottle, and it clearly says that it's for acne and oil control and also for all skin types. And also it has this pump dispenser, which makes it really easy to get the product out. And this is the texture of the product. It has this foamy texture. Of course, it's a foaming face wash. It has a foamy texture, and it's very, very lightweight, and it is super, super gentle on the skin as well. Also, you can pump the product directly into your face, and when you first put it on your face, it has this foamy texture, but as you lather it, it goes to this beautiful cream consistency.
I'm gonna use this at the end of this video once and remove whatever makeup I have on my face and show you guys what my skin looks like. So basically, what you need to do in this one bottle challenge is finish this whole bottle of the cappuccino face wash and show your before and after result. Plus, I wanted to mention that this face wash is for acne and oil control, but people with any skin type can use this. Also, they've mentioned in the bottom that it is for all skin types. So yeah, before we begin, a little something about this brand as a whole, Mcaffeine as a whole, because Mcaffeine is probably one of my favorite brands. I already have a video on my YouTube reviewing other products from Mcaffeine. If you guys want to check that out, definitely do so. Yeah, getting back to the topic, Mcaffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand, as a lot of us know. And the best thing about this brand is that they value and believe in confidence over color and skin tone and stuff, and they do not support skin whitening products, which is a refreshing change in India. So yeah, this is something that I really connected with. I was so excited to try all of their products. Okay, so now comes the part for which a lot of you would have probably waited for, which is the ingredient list. Firstly, this face wash has coffee in it, caffeine, which reduces the redness and inflammation in your skin, and it is great for your skin. And also, apart from healing the inflammation and redness and stuff, it can energize your skin. You would feel that only if you use this product. You get that instant feeling of that freshness and brightness after using this product. The next ingredient is vitamin E and cinnamon, and both of these ingredients are amazing for acne and oil control, which is the biggest claim of this product. This product has almond milk in it, which can soothe your skin really well. Everything is literally infused in this product, which is the best part. Honestly, the ingredient list is so impressive. So let's just begin. I just can't wait to show you guys what my skin looked like before and after. I'm gonna record an after at the end of this video. I'm gonna remove all my makeup and then use this face wash again for you guys, and then show what my skin looks like.
So firstly, I'll just damp my face and pump a little bit of the cappuccino coffee foaming face wash onto my face and work up the lather. Guys, make sure you avoid eye contact. And now that I've applied the face wash, it is time to massage it in circular motions for about a minute before washing it off.
I must say that its foamy texture is very gentle on the skin, and the foam feels really great and cleanses the skin really well. The coffee fragrance is energizing and makes the whole experience feel amazing. So I wash my face now, and you can see that my face looks clean and fresh after the very first use itself, but let's just keep using it to see the results. I really enjoyed using it. So I've been using the M Caffeine's Cappuccino Coffee Foaming Face Wash for 5 days regularly, and it has been a satisfactory experience. I can notice that it has really helped calm down the texture and inflammation on my skin. Also, it has worked so well in controlling the oils in my skin. Like, I will keep using it so that I can tell you guys more. Welcome to day 10 of the one bottle challenge. So I've been using this face wash once in the morning and once in the night, and if I talk about its effect, I would say that the one bottle challenge is really working for me, and the little pimples that I had on my face is slowly going away. So I'm really impressed with the fact that the claim of getting rid of 99.9% of acne causing germs is true, and my skin does not feel oily at all. I'm looking forward to completing this challenge, guys.
So I just took all of my makeup off with this like washcloth or whatever. So that is all the makeup that I had on my face. So everything's off, and now we're gonna wash my face for one last time with that product. So you guys can see there is barely anything left in the bottle. There is very little left, and I can use it probably just once or maybe twice, I've no clue, but there's very little left. I'm not sure if this pump thing is still gonna work with that little of the product, but we're gonna try. Oh, okay, it kinda does. So I'm just gonna go wash my face, and then I'll wait probably for 4 to 5 hours and then show you guys what my face looks like. So yeah, let's just do this.
So it's day 14 with M Caffeine, and trust me, it's been a wonderful experience. I'm done using this bottle, and it has helped me foam away all the pimples and has left my skin looking oil free and feeling amazing, and there is no redness as well. This product has become such a staple in my skincare routine, and I just cannot imagine my skincare without this product. This has been an effective challenge, and it fulfilled what it claimed, and it helped me with my skincare concerns and also cleansed my skin really well till the day I used it. So yeah.
So that's it for the one bottle challenge, and I'm so glad that I took this challenge up. I mean, look at my skin. I'm just gonna leave my skin and let whatever natural oil is there in my skin come out and see if this face wash is the, you know, sole reason for my skin transforming. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm just gonna wait for a few hours and then see if this face wash has really worked on my skin. So I just noted down a few pointers because I thought a few of you could be concerned. So basically this product is clinically and dermatologically tested, and it is FDA approved, 100% vegan, PETA certified and cruelty free. Also, I just wanted to mention in this video that this whole brand is gender neutral, which means both, you know, girls and boys can use it. A lot of my guy followers and subscribers keep asking me to suggest skincare products for them, and they keep asking if they can use the skincare products that I suggest, and of course you can. This brand in particular is gender neutral, so this face wash in particular, you're gonna love it. Thank me later. So that is it for this video. Finally, the before and after. Honestly, when I started this one bottle challenge, I started documenting, you know, each day. I wasn't really sure if I was gonna post this video. I just put my camera in my bathroom every time I wash my face, and that's literally how I filmed this video. And I'm happy that I took the one bottle challenge as well. It was fun, and I highly recommend this product to you guys. If you guys have acne or like extremely oily skin or oily skin, this is like the ideal face wash for you guys, and you don't have to look for any other face washes. This is all you need. So I can give you guys 10 more minutes of review, but I don't want to. I just want you guys to use this product for yourself and see what it does to your skin. Take up the one bottle challenge, go for it, it's so worth it. Also have a little something for you guys. So here's my code Ananya15, and you can use this on M Caffeine's website to get a 50% off on their website. You cannot use this code on any other sites. You should go to M Caffeine's official website, and when you add products to your cart and when you check out, just enter this code and you will get 15% off on your order. And I will also link the cappuccino coffee foaming face wash in the description box below. So yeah, if you have used this product, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I made this video after a lot of you asked me to do this, 10-day documenting and then showing the before and after results kind of video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.